Mamma mia! It's a Nintendo Switch! Mario Edition! Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. It is just awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video I wanted to do an unboxing of the Nintendo Switch Mario 2 Color Edition. I picked it up just to check it out here for you guys here on the Wicked Gamer and Collector, the YouTube channel. And I'm a big fan of handhelds, but also includes the Nintendo Switch. So I already own a Switch and I was curious, how is this thing in 2021? Because Nintendo keeps surprising us with limited edition, the question remains, how limited is this version? That's something we need to see in the future. It comes included different peripherals that we didn't see in previous models or kits. So this one comes as the special edition. This means that it has special colors. They already did a Mario edition when it got launched back in the day, but this one is completely different. Because the previous model was more like with some minor adjustments, especially the box, but this one is completely custom. And I mean, with this custom, it's just going to get completely different color scheme. But in this video I want to do a quick unboxing with you guys, so you know what to expect with this limited edition. So I do like the color, and this thing is completely with the Mario red colors, and it makes this thing quite special. Okay, so the Joy-Cons, both of them are in a red color, and as I'm making this review I just realized more like, we're going to get the new editions, so the drifting needs to be over now compared with the first generation of the Switch. I already owned a new model Switch, so also my other version didn't have this issue anymore. Okay, so let's take a close look at the system itself, because this makes it extra special. Normally what we're going to get are more like different color Joy-Cons, but also the Switch itself has a completely different color. And I must say, I like it. I like this red color for this Nintendo Switch. Okay, and the bottom part we're going to find one of the extra things that we're going to get in the kit, and that is the protection cover. Normally you need to buy this separately, but not with this version. So let's take a close look at it. As you can see, we're having here all the nice decals from different Nintendo Mario games on it. Quite interesting. It looks quite nice. But keep me wondering, how is this protection case compared with another version that I'm having with my other Switch? Alright, so let's do a quick comparison with the cheap case I bought some time ago and the Nintendo one that you're going to get, or I will not say for free, but it's in the kit. The outer shell is quite sturdy with my cheap one, and with the Nintendo version it feels kind of flimsy, and I'm afraid when I'm going to bump it, when my Nintendo Switch is in it, it's highly possible that you're still going to get some damage with your Nintendo Switch. So in my opinion, that is a very positive thing with the cheap one I'm having here. So let's talk about the zipper. So the zipper, here we can see a major difference. It looks a little bit cheap, and also when you zip it up and down, you can see that it's not really high quality. And with the Nintendo Switch version, it feels more like a quality zipper. So when it comes to the zip part, yep, the zipper, the zip tip, that is a good one. Okay, the inside here with the cheap version, we're going to get some options. So I will give you a quick example when having a Nintendo Switch. This case not for Nintendo Switch, but I can use it simply because these elastic things keep it in position. I really like the way you can storage your device and your cables, some minor capacity for some games, but here we're having some options nevertheless. So when it comes to the storage inside the case, I do like it. With the Nintendo Switch it's a little bit limited. I do like this field in the inside, and yeah, you can hear a very tiny compartment for your cables. In my opinion, when it comes to the way you can storage your games and your cables, it's way better than the original one you're going to get. You have this tiny stand in the casing itself. This is a very cool thing, but I don't have a case for that. So as you can see over here, we're having an option to put your Switch like this if you want to. It's a great fun thing, but it's not a big of a deal. And personally, I prefer to have my other version because I have better storage capacity. Another big surprise, in this kit we're also going to get a screen protector from Nintendo themselves. It's more like the thin flimsy one, not the glass protector. Of course we're going to get some manuals that nobody's going to read. Okay, so let's take a close look at what kind of goodies are we going to get more. For the controller, I personally never use this thing, but it looks kind of cool. So especially when you're going to combine them with the Joy-Cons, we're going to get this blue and red colors. And I don't know what you think of this, but this looks pretty cool. And that makes this Mario Collector Edition pretty awesome and very unique in my opinion. Okay, so we're also going to get the extra attachment for the Joy-Cons. Personally, I really hate these things. And again, the same story that applies with that we're having more like the red and the blue two-tone color. Looks quite nice. Of course, for both Joy-Cons we're going to get these things. And I must say, the final result looks pretty cool. Yeah, looks nice. And I'm never going to use these things. That's just a fact. So in this compartment we're going to find another manual that nobody's going to read. We're having here the HDMI cable, the Nintendo HDMI cable, and the power supply. Okay, so let's take a close look at the docking station, because again in this limited edition we're not going to get the basic black docking station. This also includes a special limited edition. So let's take a close look at this and do a separate unboxing. I must say, I like the way how they packed everything up for Nintendo. They're also doing a very great job with this. And the Switch docking looks, in my opinion, pretty cool. It's all in red and I like it. There's nothing special compared with the original one that I had from a previous Switch. So it's more like a different color. And by the way, if you want to buy these things separately in normal colors, these are freaking expensive. Alright, so let's give you a quick look of the Joy-Cons attached to the Nintendo Switch. Personally, I wish they had more, given a little bit of blue edge on the Switch itself, so we have more like this color scheme like the blue and red also when you combine it with the Joy-Cons. But in the end it does look very nice. We're still having the black stand over here, they didn't make it red. It's not a big of a deal because I like it. I like really the color scheme of black and red. So this is what you're going to get inside the package of the special or limited edition Mario Edition. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think of this and how long will this be for sale. Will this be more like a collectible item, or is this something you can maybe buy over the upcoming 2021 period? Okay guys, so if you're having a Nintendo Switch, the first generation, maybe the Mario Edition is a great way to step up. Because the new version has just some big improvement like better display, better battery life, it has a different mainboard inside, in combination with all these new features, and of course the Joy-Con drifting is over so far I know. And then we're having a big step up if you're liking the colors of the Mario Edition of course. But okay, so if you're having a Nintendo Switch or you're thinking to get a normal Nintendo Switch, and again, it's a big step up because now we have more like the portable and the console way. And I must say, the light is just the light. It's more like having a different display, different quality. And in my opinion, the Mario Edition will be a step up. So in overall, the Nintendo Switch Mario Edition, I think it's a really cool one to have in the collection or to enjoy some, of course, the Nintendo Switch gameplay. Nevertheless, there are so many ways to go to. It's all up to you. I just wanted to show you, do this a quick unboxing for you guys. Yeah, let me know in the comments what do you think of this. What do you think of the new Nintendo Mario Switch? Do you think it's worth your money? Nevertheless, I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribing to the channel, hit that little bell, become one of the Wicked family. And if you have any questions, come leave it in the comments. Give this video a thumb up if you liked it. And hit that little bell, people, because that is also important. And you're going to get the message when I'm uploading a new video. And I will see you in the next video.